now, and when I'm sick, I get bored, and when I'm bored, I do stupid shit, so here we are. So I got this stuff from the Wish app probably like 2 or 3 months ago. It is henna. It comes in several different colors. I think I got the black one, I'm pretty sure, but hey, once it comes out on my face, if it's blue, then I have a blue face tattoo. I've always wanted to get face tattoos. I love the way they look on like X, Trippie Redd, like, you know, I just love that look. And everybody tells me, Vanessa, don't do it. Do not get face tattoos. You're going to ruin your face. I already think I'm pretty fucked up, so I feel like it can't get any worse at this point. So I'm gonna be taking this stuff, and we're also gonna pretend that I don't sound like a 12-year-old boy going through puberty, because my voice keeps fucking cracking. This is honestly probably one of the stupidest things I ever do. If you noticed, I don't have makeup on my entire face. I left the makeup off right here because that's where I'm gonna put one of them. I'm gonna put one right here in the middle of my forehead, and then I'm probably gonna put something like right over here or like right over here. So I didn't put makeup all over my face just for the sake of like, I wanna put this on, but I have to leave it on my face. I believe you have to leave this on for like 2 hours, it says, yeah. So I'm gonna put this on my face. I'm not gonna tell any of my friends I'm doing this. The next time I see them, I'm just gonna pop up and they're gonna be like, oh. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. I got some kitchen shears. Literally, does anybody else use like the kitchen shears for shit other than meat? Like, I know these are made for cutting chicken and shit, but scissors are scissors. So as you can see, it's like a very, very like fine tip. Oh my gosh, my voice. And I'm just gonna cut it very, very like carefully. So I don't even know if you can see that, but it's like a really, really like tight hole. So okay, I don't know what I wanna do exactly yet. Like, I'm not doing teardrops, that's a fact. Because a bitch never killed nobody. Yet. Push me to it, bitch. But okay, now the FBI is gonna be like, so she's a possible threat? I'm just kidding, I'm a good girl. I don't wish ill things upon people anymore. As of last week. So I don't know, like, what do I wanna, ooh, bitch. I could literally see the line of like concealer. Oh my goodness, this is I look treacherous. Okay, so I'm just gonna put love scars.
Fuck!
Should I put a heart? Oh my god, I'm like scared I'm gonna like fuck it up so bad. It would be less stressful if I knew that like it was gonna probably only last, what, like 2 days? Nah, this shit's gonna last like 2 weeks plus. So I have to actually make sure I don't fuck this up. I'll just like zoom it in when I edit this. I'm gonna have to fill it in because I know for a fact this shit is not gonna be even. Oh my god, that is so bad. Why am I actually trash? Okay, I'm just gonna like fill it in. Oh my gosh. I think I just heard somebody knock on my door. Guess what? No one's home, bitch. I'm sweating. Oh my, I'm sweating. No, I don't understand. I'm fucking sweating balls right now. Oh. Okay, let's move this weave out of the way. So I have to like let it like sit on my face for like 2 hours. So I cannot touch it at all or mess it up at all. I would love to try to do the Louis Vuitton sign, but I can barely even do a fucking heart, so we're not gonna do that. What should I put on my forehead? Oh, this is so stupid. Okay, I'm really scared this weave is gonna actually like get in the way. You can see the sweat. Oh my gosh. I'm actually so nervous. Oh my gosh, or maybe I'm going through menopause. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put some like dots around it. Like that. Did y'all see that Lil Xan put that like drip thing under his eye? I wanna do that, but I forget that I still have videos to film for the rest of the week. So I want to put a V somewhere. I mean, I know the idea altogether is fucking stupid and I'm gonna regret this most likely, but fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a swirly on the other side of my face. I'm feeling very Naruto. Also, by the way, if I were to actually get face tattoos, I would not get these. I want to draw baby right there, but I draw really, really bad. I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. Oh my gosh, should I? Okay, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna put baby. This is what happens when you listen to too many rappers that names start with Lil. So now that I have baby underneath, oh my god, I love it. Wait, my voice, oh my gosh. Wait, I already know someone's probably like, Vanessa, don't get excited over this. Reminder, if you decide to try to do some shit like this, it still will last 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I don't know what else to do. Like, I don't want to do too much and like fuck myself up completely. I kind of want to put like some lines or something somewhere, like 3 little lines. Okay, I have to stop, I'm shaking. I'm shaking right now, like, I can like literally feel my whole, my body is shaking. Okay, I'm regretting this one, we're taking this one off. I just found the closest sock. No, it's already staining! Oh my god, no! No, 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 no. This is why I say don't play with shit like this, kids. It's fine, 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 it's fine. So, we're not gonna fucking do that. If I put a triangle, then people are gonna be like, Illuminati! I'm gonna put some more dots on my face. Cause I'm bored as shit. Just trying to like draw something that's not offensive, so I'm like looking around my room, but everything around my room is pretty fucking offensive. Oh my god, I messed up again. No! If I don't like actually wipe it off properly, it's just gonna get darker and darker. So if you do this, make sure you're actually like scrubbing your skin and exfoliating that shit, because if you don't, it's not, like, it's gonna still develop. Bitch, JC Kalen who? Okay, so now we have a cloud. Maybe I'm taking it too far right now. I'm gonna put a dot right in the middle. A fat one. Enough. Should I stop here? Yeah, I should probably stop here. So as you can see, now I have my face tattoos. Like I said, this shit lasts 2 weeks. 2 week. Grammar. It lasts 2 weeks. So I'm gonna leave it on for 2 hours and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see what happened. Hopefully this weave doesn't somehow fall in it. I very much want to put the Louis Vuitton logo, but I know I'm going to fuck it up, so I'm not gonna do that to myself. But I will be right back in 2 hours to see how they developed, and hopefully, I mean, it looks like it's probably gonna stain like dark brown or black, but we'll see in 2 hours. I'll be right back. Bruh, what the fuck? Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done this shit. I waited 2 hours, you guys. Look how dark it is. Look how fucking dark. My dog is looking at me like I'm stupid. Okay, I thought it was gonna leave like a light stain. Like, I've used henna before, like henna paste. I've used brown, I've used green, I've used like navy blue. I've never used like a dark black. I did not expect this. And the thing is, like, I don't want to wash my face. I don't want to put any water on it because I'm scared if I put water, it's gonna like run or something. Like, I left it for 2 hours. And then I like took off like the dry part because it was already like lifting and like peeling off. So I took that off and and the award for biggest dumbass of the week goes to Vanessa. Woo! I have to go out in public like this. You see, when I'm sick, my mind is fogged. When I'm sick, I don't think of things through. I react, and that was the problem I used to have when I was younger. I would not think before speaking and I would react without thinking of the consequences. Here I am, almost 22 years old, doing some dumb shit again. But hey, at least I'm gonna get to experience what it's like to have face tattoos. Honestly, I hope, like, I'm pretty sure if I put foundation over it, it'll like look faded so it won't look as bad, but like, this one came out so fucking crusty. So I already, oh my gosh, and this one, look at the Z. Oh my gosh. I already know somebody in public is gonna fucking make fun of me for this shit. If you see me in public, please don't make fun of me. I'm already insecure enough. So that's the end of this video. Don't fucking do this. This is not a good idea. You guys, like, just don't. You don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me right now. My Instagram is simplynessa15. Follow me so you guys can watch my story and we can see how this all goes. Like, if some shit goes down and people are making fun of me, I'll let you guys know. If I get treated differently or if I get side looks, I'll let you guys know. So go and follow me on Instagram at simplynessa15 so we can laugh together. And also, if you don't follow me already in general, like, why don't you? I follow a lot of you guys back, actually. So you know what, after this video, since I'm sick and I have nothing to do today, after I post this, I'm gonna go on my Instagram and I'm gonna watch it. So like, I'm gonna follow a couple of you guys back. I'm gonna DM a whole bunch of you. So make sure you go and follow me on Instagram, and if you have a Snapchat, add me on there too. All my information is in the description below. To bounce, I'm gonna go and look up how to get this off my face faster than 2 weeks. I was looking online and it said it could last up to 1 to 4 weeks, and I really hope it doesn't last a month. Like, this would be a great Halloween costume, but we're in September. If you haven't seen my last video where I interviewed my ex-boyfriend, why haven't you? Check that shit out, and I will see you all in another stupid ass video soon. Bye guys, I love you. Thanks for supporting this idiot. I feel inside, whatever puts my heart at ease.